You are hacking, bro. Wanna see how? See your aim. Check your aim. Bro, you are moving your head lit faster, bro. Only T-bot. You are on T-bot. For sure, you are on T-bot. See, this thing prove that you are on T-bot. Look at T-bot. You starts hacking. See, that's why I'm saying you are on hacks.